Hi, I'm Paul here with MarineMax of Houston. I'm on board the new 281 XSS by Scout. This is an awesome super duper bay boat, but it's also capable of doing some offshore activity too. This boat is just loaded with features, and I'd like you to come aboard and I can show you a few of them right now. We're going to do a quick walkthrough of the boat, but we're going to start right back here in the back. We've got a 400 Mercury on the back, standard jack plate. One of my favorite features is right here. We've got a double fender storage compartment. This boat's also equipped with the Fender Pros. Makes it real easy to get your fenders on and off. But I do love this storage. A lot of boats don't have good fender storage. On each side in the back, port starboard, we've got a nice big live well. And you'll notice this cool feature here. We've got a see-through live well right here. It's a really nice feature on this boat. Pull out Yeti cooler. I love these. We've got raw and freshwater washdown on hose reels. This is a great feature here too. Underneath this huge casting platform, we've got a really nice pop-up bench seat. This is actually one of the most comfortable riding seats in the boat right here. This is easily going to fit 2 adults and a kid, 3 adults. And a lot of storage underneath it. You'll notice we've got a couple of bait buckets underneath. You got great access to all your pumps and everything. Really heavy duty shock system. Scout does a really nice job. Once you come on board, you can see we have tackle trays, port and starboard. And we've got a really nice tackle tray here and a terminal tackle tray system on the other side. Twin Garmin screens on the boat. Got a lockable cell phone charger, port and starboard side of the console. Very well appointed up under here. This boat is just loaded with features. Look at all the rod holders. Just a great fishing boat, great lounging boat. Moving forward, look at this lounge area up in the front. I mean, it's just loaded with room. Every one of these compartments has storage under it. This boat's equipped also with the front bow shade. And you'll notice these switches here. We've got a anchor windlass incorporated underneath the trolling motor. And in addition to being able to control the windlass back there, you can control it here. Huge fishing deck. Great for when you're beaching a boat or at the dock. You got places to get on and off. Tons of storage. I like this compartment here too. We've got just a huge coffin box storage here. Storage under all these seats. This is a nice access to your anchor windlass and just a ton of storage here as well. Let's come check out the head compartment on this boat too. This boat's got a nice porcelain head in it. Look at all that room. Very well appointed. This is a boat you've just got to come see. It's a great performing boat, great looking boat, very high-tech boat, and it's one of the best things Scout's offering for this year. My name is Paul. I'm with MarineMax here in Houston. Come see us.